How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Ferris Technology. Today we're unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro Max in white titanium. This is a 512 gigabyte model that we have right here. Let's have a look at the box all around. So we have just our kind of colored white titanium label as well as the iPhone. Doesn't specify that it's iPhone 15 Pro Max on the outside of the box from the front or anything like that. But if we look on the back right here, it will specify iPhone 15 Pro Max, made in California, yada, yada, yada. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So we do have a label right here that we take off and a label on the bottom. So let's go ahead and we'll pull it from this side right here. Pull that label up, and then we'll pull this label right here up as well. And we'll go ahead, put the phone down, and wow factor that we have the phone itself. We'll grab the phone right here. There's our white titanium, very nice. We'll put it down for a second here. Let's have a look at what's included in the box. We do have the made in Apple or designed in Apple by Apple in California right there. This includes the SIM card ejection tool if you're outside of the United States, because inside the US they do have the eSIM, so they don't use the SIM cards. We do have the pamphlet paperwork as well as our single Apple sticker, so all the good stuff right there. And then we do have our USB-C to USB-C cable. As you can see right there, finally have USB-C on the iPhones, and it is a braided cable. So the quality of this cable feels so much better than the previous iPhone. So very, very happy with the braided USB-C cable. Very nice. We'll put that aside for a sec. Let's have a look at the phone itself. So this is our white titanium. Yes, it's very, very bright right here, even in my lights. And the first thing I do notice is that it is very light. It's much lighter than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it also has just a really nice feel to it. I love the curved edging on this. It's not sharp, so holding it in your hand feels so much nicer. Let's go ahead and just take off our front sticker right here. Take that off. There we go. So that's nicely exposed. And again, very, very nice feeling. Love that. Look at the cameras, how they're just fully out there and exposed with our white. You can totally see everything. And then on the side, we'll have a look. We've got our power switch right there. You can see I'm fingerprinting it up already. And on the bottom, of course, we have our USB-C right there, as well as our microphone and speakers on the bottom right there, which is nice. On the other side, we do have, again, my fingerprinting, I apologize. We do have our new action button right here on the side. So no mute on off switch, so we can customize our action button to whatever we want, as well as we have our volume up and down, and then there is our SIM card tray right there. And again, if you're in the United States, you won't have that. It'll just be blank right there. So wow, amazing. I absolutely love the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and hitting the like button.